Today's video mga millennials, pupunta naman kami ng Team Good Vibes sa India. Dito lang yan sa Mother India, Fields Avenue, Angeles City. Mga millennials, dito naman tayo for today's video sa Mother India kung saan itatry natin ang Indian food. Let's go! This mutton curry goes well with steamed rice, naan or roti. Yellow dal tadka, a popular Indian dish made with yellow lentils. Mixed vegetable curry is absolutely flavorful dish. Chicken biryani is famous fragrant rice and aromatic. Naan is flatbread paired with curries. Indian cuisine is known for its rich full flavor with aromatic spices. Not only delicious but also comforting and satisfying. The variety, creativity of Indian cuisine make it favorite food for food lovers. And also with Indian beers as well. Indian food offers something unique and delightful for every plate, and extraordinary for the taste buds. Mother India offers vibrant and authentic dishes come together to create a memorable meal. The atmosphere is warm and inviting. Mutton curry, yellow dal, mixed veg curry, chicken biryani, naan, chapati, mango lassi. So kahit ano to guys, pwede mo ipalaman dito or i-dip mo lang. The choice is yours. Try natin to mutton curry.
Gawa sa kambing.
Mutton curry. Actually guys, kambing to. Sarap. Amoy pa lang, ang sarap-sarap na. Para siyang kaldereta guys. Hindi naman masyadong maanghang. Pero pwede siya sa bata. Isang lasa mo yung mga spices nila guys. Kung meron tong cumin powder, turmeric, paprika, ito naman guys yung chapati. Ang difference lang nila is, ito hindi mo nalalagay sa loob. Kumbaga naka-fold lang siya and manipis. Ididip lang natin to guys sa yellow dal.
Ano to?
Gagamit ako ng serving spoon. Siyempre, hygiene. Ganyan na guys. So, para siyang not that spicy. Kalma lang. Kayang-kaya siyang kainin ng mga bata guys. Sa mga sa mga herbs niya, feeling ko meron pa rin itong if I'm not mistaken, baka meron din itong cumin powder. Pero syempre, hindi ko na alam yung mga secret spices nila. So yung main ingredients niya mga millennials is squash or kalabasa. Makikita niyo naman, no? As you can see naman, syempre, since squash ito or kalabasa, kaya yellow ang color niya. Dito naman tayo next sa mixed vegetable curry. Pinaka main ingredients niya guys dito is cauliflower, since mixed vegetable curry siya. Try ko kaya to sa may chicken biryani. Feeling ko mas match siya sa chicken biryani. Alright. Guys, kain. Manganta ng mga millennials. At kain po. So, titikman natin si mixed vegetable curry. Gamit ang chicken biryani. Nausong-uso guys ang chicken biryani. Medyo spicy na very light. Na maamoy mo yung aroma ng cumin powder, paprika, garam masala, o diba? Nakakaalam na tayo ng mga ingredients guys na dati hindi ko naman alam. At least ngayon nalalaman ko din, diba? Chicken biryani is a dish that is truly unforgettable. Basmati rice elevates the dining experience to a whole new level. It's a floppy texture, doesn't clump together. Mother India also offers a lot of beers, where you can chill and relax with your friends, and a refreshing red iced tea. Indian food and drinks perfectly balancing. These drinks are as comforting as they are refreshing. The moment you step in, you're greeted by the rich aromas of spices. Mother India offers something for everyone. So come and visit Mother India here in Angeles. Ayan. Ano nagustuhan mo bro din sa?
Ito, the best yung mutton curry. The best.
Alin?
Mutton curry.
Ikaw naman sis.
Ako din, ito chicken biryani, saka ito. Kasi yung healthy niya, lalo na tumatanda na, kailangan yung mga kinakain natin.
Ikaw naman na gusto.
Ako pinagusto ko.
Ano?
Ako din yung Newton curry. Nag-enjoy kami mga millennials dito sa Mother India. For sure guys, kung kayo pupunta dito talagang magugustuhan nyo lahat ng foods. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, follow, or share. Bye!